Welcome to a new episode 14 of PSLE Math series on ABCD. In this PSLE Math series, we'll be going through questions that PSLE students might find difficult to solve. In our previous episode, we went through question 1 of worksheet 7. Today, we'll be going through question 3. Just a side note, you'll be able to find the link to the Google Docs for this question in the description below. Now, let's get started. Question 3. Mr Kee, Mr Lim and Mr Meng are the form teachers for class 6 Love. They shared the cost of pizza for their class excursion last week. The ratio of the amount Mr Kee paid to the amount Mr Lim paid is 3:2. The ratio of the amount Mr Lim paid to the amount Mr Meng paid is 1:3. The ratio of the amount Mr Meng paid to the amount Mr Kee paid is 2:1. If the school subsidized 1/3 of the pizza cost and the bill turns out to be $66, how much does each of the teacher paid? So the first thing we're supposed to do is write out what is given. K is to L give us 3:2, L is to M give us 1:3, and M is to K give us 2:1. Okay, then bear in mind that the school subsidized 1/3 and the total cost still ends up to be $66. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, first, we realize that we are not able to do anything because the numbers are totally different. So, the first thing we're supposed to do here will be to attempt to make the numbers similar. Okay, then we realize that by multiplying by 2, we will get 2 here, which actually made this 2 the same as this 2. So, L is the same now. Then over here, if we actually multiply by 3, we will get 6:3 and M will be the same now. Therefore, we actually end up with K is to L is to M to be 3:2:6. Okay, then the total units will be equal to 3 plus 2 plus 6, which gives us 11 units. Okay, then the amount paid by teacher, amount paid by teachers will be equal to 2/3 of the cost because 1/3 of the cost has been subsidized by the school, and this will give us $44. Therefore, 11 units turn out to be $44 and 1 unit turns out to be $4. Since Mr. Kee pays 3 units, 3 times 4 gives us 12. Mr. Lim pays 2 units, 2 times 4 gives us 8. Mr. Meng pays 6 units, 6 times 4 gives us 24. Therefore, we will be able to calculate that K, L, and M pays 12, 8, and 24 respectively. Ta-da! That's the answer for this question. Okay, the question that we just went through is question 3 of worksheet 7. There's 2 more questions available. They are question 2 and question 1 respectively. The solution for question 1 is A is 20, B is 30, C is 70. The answer for question 2, C is 30, D is 50, and E is 70. Feel free to browse our channel for the solution for question 1. In the meantime, feel free to drop us an email if you have any challenging questions. We also welcome feedbacks and comments. Our contact details are in the description below. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. We hope you have learned this concept. And here's Miss J signing off. Bye bye!